Good morning. Welcome to Quest Bites. I'm your host, Corinne Cahill. Happy Magic Monday. I hope you had a great weekend. I'm glad you're joining me because today we are going to be doing a super easy magic science art project. So grab your paper towels and your markers so that you're ready to draw. But first, we're going to play Spot the Quapples so you have a little bit of time. Here is your picture. There are 5 quapples hidden across the paint store. We're not painting, we're using markers, but it's the same idea, right? Art is art. About 30 seconds on the clock. If you find them, let me know in the comments. I know some of these are a little easier, but I know there's one that's going to be a little difficult to find, so I'll be impressed if you find it. 15 seconds left. Let me know if you're watching this morning. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here is the answer. All 5 quapples. Did you find that one in the sign at the top of the picture? I thought it was pretty small, and that sign is red, so I thought that was going to be the hardest one. But there's all 5 across the paint store, so if you found them, great job. If you did not, no worries. We'll play again on Wednesday. Just make sure you're here right at 9:30 so you can get in on the fun. So what do you need for today's magic art project? You'll need markers, a permanent marker and the washable markers, all of the colors that you would like, paper towels, water, and a small tray. So how do you set this up? You are going to need half sheets of paper towels and you'll fold those like a book. If you don't have the paper towels that rip into half sheets, you can use scissors and cut them. Just make sure you have a parent help you. Then you'll fill a small tray with water, which is what we'll use later. And now it's time to draw. It's the fun part. So go ahead and join me if you already have your paper towels and markers ready. Make sure you have something underneath so that doesn't bleed through the table. You're gonna take that permanent marker and draw an image on the front flap of the paper towel. I never pass up an opportunity to draw a giraffe because it's pretty much the only thing I can draw and it's my favorite animal. So I drew that on the front. I gave him a little tree to eat from. And once you're done with that front picture, you're gonna open up the flap and color on the inside. So there's a little bit of marker or permanent marker that bled through so I can kind of follow those lines. So I color in that drawing. If it doesn't go quite along the lines, that's all right. I really enjoyed coloring here. I might have to do this again today. I'm coloring in my giraffe and then I'm gonna put a blue sky all across it. So just color in your drawings and then you're gonna fold that back closed so that your plain drawing is on the front, and then you're going to put that in the water. But what is going to happen and why does this work? So you may remember when we learned about capillary actions when we made our walking rainbow. If you don't, that's another fun activity you can try today. We'll put that in the comments so you can watch it after this. To refresh, capillary action is the force applied to the paper towel as the water is absorbed. Pretty cool, right? It's that pressure that pushes your colors through the back of the paper towel into the front picture. Capillary action is also how plants pull water from the soil to stay alive, right? So let's watch me put my picture into the water. Are you ready? It's going to happen pretty fast. Once I drop my giraffe stem is cool picture into the water, it comes to life with all my beautiful colors that I put in the background. Pretty cool, right? And then I also went ahead and I made a rainbow because that's even more colorful. I didn't put all the colors in the rainbow, but still pretty good. And I didn't really stay in the line, so I'm sure you guys can make some better pictures than me. If you're able to get these paper towels out of the water quick enough, since these markers are so washable, they will wash right out of the paper towels. So if you're able to get them out, you can put them in the sun and dry them, and then you have a beautiful piece of art. I hope you learned something today, and I hope you're excited to make some drawings like this. I saw some examples that had the words in the back flap so that they came through when you put it in the water. So you can be as creative as you would like today. Be sure to send us your pictures, before and afters, and the videos of your pictures coming to life. We'll put the instructions in the comments for you to try this lesson. And join us on Wednesday because we have a sound waves experiment to try out, something you can try with your siblings and friends. So be right here Wednesday at 9:30. Until next time, continue onward with your quest for knowledge, and thanks for watching.